Hey guys, welcome to Serious Eats by Sampada. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make simple doll cake decoration and make the doll cake base without using mold. So let's get started. To make doll cake without using mold, we require this 2 sponge cake. This is vanilla sponge cake and I made this sponge cake in 2 different shapes. One is of 6 inch and second one is of 4 inch. Then this cake board and the rotating stand. I have divided the whipped cream in 3 portions. The blue one, in which I have used this color splash royal blue gel color. In second portion I have used this neon green gel color, which is of color splash. Then this white regular whipped cream. To decorate the doll cake frog, I am using this Noor 44 number nozzle. I have made the whipped cream roses by using the same nozzle in our rasmalai cake. I am giving the link of that in my description box. I am using this nozzle with this neon green color for the frog frill. Then the second one, I am using this clothes star nozzle. I am piping this clothes star with this royal blue color to make the doll frog. You can also use this Noor 5 number nozzle to make the doll frog. Then the most important, we require this doll cake topper. I have covered this doll cake topper with clean wrap. You can get this doll cake top from the cake shop. Then palette knife for the icing and the serrated knife to cut the cake. You can use the scraper like this to cover the icing, and I am using this use and throw icing bags. As we are making the doll cake without using mold, so we require this different shaped circular plate to cut the cake and make the doll cake frog. Alright friends, let's start for the cake decoration. Firstly, take this 6-inch sponge cake and divide the sponge cake in 4 equal parts. Use serrated knife to cut the cake. Cool down your cake before the cutting. To get fluffy soft cake, always cover your cake with damp cloth after removing from the mold, so it will not make your cake edges hard. Okay, I have divided the cake in 4 equal parts. As we require the dome shape to make the cake frog, I have placed these 3 different plates on my 3 layers of cake. Bigger one layer which I have not cutting, I am placing it at the bottom. Now with the help of knife, cut all the layers. As we are placing this all the layer one above another and covering with icing, make sure you should use the plate slightly different in diameter so that we can apply the icing properly. Okay, you can see I have done the cutting of these 3 layers. Now for this 4-inch cake base, divide this cake base in 3 equal parts and repeat this for the same thing. As you can see, I have arranged all these 7 layers, decreasing diameter, these 4 layers of 6-inch and these 3 layers of 4-inch cake. Okay, then apply some cream on cake board and place the larger slice or the layer on the cake board. Make sure you have to place it evenly. Then spread some sugar syrup on top of it. I have made this sugar syrup by mixing 2 teaspoons of sugar and half cup of water. We are using this sugar syrup to get our cake moist. Then apply whipped cream layer. Place second layer on top of it and repeat the procedure for all the 7 layers. As you can see, I have finished by placing all the 7 layers one above another. Then take doll top and place it on top of it. I have taken this whipped cream in the icing bag and then I am applying it over the cake frog. Friends, if you are using some bigger diameter difference layer and your icing is not able to cover that layer, then you can use serrated knife, cut that layer and then apply some icing over that. Spread the icing evenly with the help of palette knife. Don't worry if you don't get the proper finishing, as we are going to decorate later. Fix some cake pieces and apply icing over it to get the cake in proper shape. As I discussed earlier, for the frog frill I am using this Noor 44 number nozzle with a green icing. Keep the wider part of the nozzle upside and the narrow part downside and create the ruffle by simply squeezing forward to backward. For the flowers I am using this blue icing attached with cloth star nozzle and doing the flowers like this. After doing the 3 layers of this dark blue color, I am adding little white whipped cream in blue one to get lighter shade. It is totally optional. You can continue by simply using this one blue color. After finishing the frog, for the top, I am creating 2 layers of the frill. I am using the same tip which I used for the bottom frill. Then make a plain top like I am doing. For this I am not using any nozzle. I have cut the tip of icing bag and fill it with the light blue whipped cream. Same way make the strap of the frog. Further cut the tip of another icing bag and fill the neon green color in it. Decorate all the doll frog with green dots. Here is our doll cake is ready. If you like today's video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new wonderful recipe updates.